Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Amy. I'm Adrian. Today we have some Australian slang on the menu for you guys. So, you are a true local, Amy, right?
I guess you could say so.
Oh, but are you from Sydney?
I am from Sydney, Australia.
Born and raised?
Born and raised. 25 years.
Oh my god. Just joking, guys. Born and raised. So, listen up and read carefully. Born and raised. Né et éduqué, littéralement. So it basically means you have spent your whole life in a place. For example, in Sydney, as you have done, right?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So today we are going to talk about English, of course, but Australian slang. So I have one for you guys. Please try to guess what it is. And Amy is going to help us figure everything out. What is that? Like a toy or a doll or...
That's what I was thinking that they're probably going to think.
Yeah. So, Amy, what is a Barbie?
So, a Barbie is not quite what you're thinking. It's not a Barbie doll. In this case, a Barbie means a barbecue.
A BBQ, barbecue.
A BBQ.
Yeah. A doll, c'est une poupée. Like that.
Yeah.
D-O-double-L. Okay, perfect. Let's play again. Oh, this one, it is really tough because I think you cannot guess. But before we go on, si vous ne l'avez toujours pas fait, inscrivez-vous pour l'une des 2 séances de formation gratuites qui auront lieu. Donc, soit ce dimanche, le 8 septembre à 20h, heure de Paris, ou le mardi, à 15h, toujours heure de Paris. Les places sont limitées. Pour vous inscrire, vous cliquez sur le i en haut à droite ou sur le lien qui est juste en dessous. We are going to figure out how to practice English, guys, every day. How to pronounce English better and how to understand English more easily. But let's talk about Australian slang right now. What is a bogan?
A bogan.
A what?
Bogan.
Bogan. Right?
Yeah, you even said it with a little like tick.
Bogan.
Bogan. Bogan, it's really, really, really Aussie slang.
Oh,
it even
whoa. It's the slang in the slang right now. Aussie slang.
Oh, yes.
C'est l'argot dans l'argot. Là, ça va pas.
It's as Aussie as you can get.
Yeah, this is a good one too. Okay, wait up. Aussie slang, donc c'est l'argot australien. Aussie, c'est la personne qui est australienne. Aussie slang, okay? This is a very, very common word. You have to know this one if you come to Australia. And you should come. People are really nice. Okay? So a bogan.
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 There you go.
Bogan.
Bogan.
Yeah.
Correct.
Donc c'est vraiment la grosse intonation sur la première syllabe et ça fait comme ça. Bogan.
Yeah, correct. Perfect.
So what is a bogan?
A bogan is, I guess you could say, someone that is really, 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 really Aussie. Someone that has like a really classic, traditional, almost nasally Australian accent or Aussie accent.
A cool person.
Basically.
Une personne cool qui est vraiment bien, qui a la classe, quoi. A bogan.
A bogan. Sometimes in different contexts, it actually can be used not as an insult, but say there's like a group of people that are a little bit more from a more snobbier, richer kind of area.
Okay, got it.
Right.
Like posh.
More posh suburb, live in nice houses, they dress a certain way with style and class. And they see a guy come along in his more casual, relaxed outfit, ruffled up hair, a little bit...
Like a hipster.
Yeah, a bit country almost. From the outback. Like that's really Aussie. You would be like, oh wow, he's such a bogan.
Okay, so it's from
like
the
a redneck.
countryside or?
It's like comparing it to America, you have like your rednecks.
Ok, c'est un peu comme, alors mais c'est très péjoratif, it's like, it's so bad in French. C'est un peu comme un paysan, mais de manière plus positive. Because when you say that, when you use this word in French, paysan, it's super, super negative. So this one is more positive.
Which one?
Bogan.
Bogan, yeah.
Bogan. Bogan.
It's not an insulting word, but it can be used to describe a certain person. Not everyone in Australia is a bogan. It's usually the real Aussies that have kind of been here all their life, and usually it denotes someone from a country town.
Yeah, got it.
Like a real farmer Aussie, like a
real
stereotypical,
genuine Aussie guy.
stereotypical Aussie guy cooking his prawns and steak on the barbie.
Ok. So, un vrai Australien qui est du cru. Voilà, c'est le mot que je cherchais, décidément l'expression être du cru. Ok, to be a bogan. Ok, et Barbie, vous vous souvenez, c'est BBQ, barbecue. Well, posh, ça veut dire en gros.
It's spelled P-O-S-H.
What?
Yep.
Are you kidding me?
This
oh my
is
God.
completely different. This is another word.
Yeah, this is like to hunt animals.
Or
when this
poached
is...
eggs or poached
Yeah,
chicken.
yeah. So, can you spell it for us?
Yeah.
My mistake, guys. I apologize for that. P-O-S-H, of course. Oh my God, I'm confused. Posh. Ça,
And
ça
the
veut dire
S and the
bourgeois.
H is a sh
Sh.
when they're together. Yeah.
Yeah, posh.
Posh.
Yeah. And this one,
Poach. C-H.
you got this verb, to poach.
Yeah, to poach. Like to poach an animal. So you could say there's many poachers in Africa of the lions or, you know, rare endangered animals.
It's not like super useful, but it means in French, braconner. Oh my God, this is a R. C'est un R à la fin. A poacher. Un braconnier. Ok, guys? Bon, ça vous pouvez l'oublier. Mais, voyez, confusion, quasiment même son, posh. Par contre, ça veut dire bourgeois. And this is a bit negative, right? Posh. Sounds so posh.
Slightly, a little bit. It also depends on the way you're saying it.
Yeah.
So if I say, for instance, there's a woman and she's being rude to me, she looks like she's from an upper class, she's got a lot of money.
The
and
stiff upper lip.
Yeah, and she's treating me as if I'm her slave and I should kiss the ground she walks on. I would go, oh, she's just like a very rude posh lady. So, but posh can be used as a neutral term as well to describe someone. But it does kind of imply a bit rude way to describe someone.
So you're basically playing on the social status.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Mate.
Mate.
What does it mean?
It is a word that is so commonly used here in Australia.
Maybe the most common word.
Probably one of the, like if you were to look up Aussie or Australian slang terms or words, mate would probably be top 5.
Yeah.
I reckon, which I don't know if that's slang as well.
It's like buddy in American English. Yeah. And you basically in British English, you also say mate. What's up, mate?
Really?
Yeah.
In
sure.
England?
Yeah, they do that, mate.
Okay.
Yeah, 100% sure.
Right.
Yep.
Right.
I'm looking at the list. To take a sickie.
Right.
This one is kind of more complicated, but I'm sure you're gonna get it once I have written it. To take a what?
A sickie.
A sickie.
A sickie.
Sickie. Yep.
So I guess it comes from the word sick, like someone is sick, someone is not feeling well.
Yep. Oh my God. Anyway. Écrire à l'envers, je ne sais toujours pas faire, comme beaucoup d'autres choses. Sick. Okay, c'est être malade. To take a sickie is like?
To not go to work, to miss work.
To have a day off.
Have a day off. Look, some people just they chuck or take a sickie. We don't know if they're like really unwell.
They what? They chuck or take a sickie?
Yeah, so when you say take a sickie, you can actually, a lot of people, another slang word is to chuck a sickie.
Could we speak English?
I don't speak like that. I'm not that bogan.
It's up to you. You're not that what?
Bogan.
Vous souvenez? Okay, true Aussie. Aussie is like an Australian person. Attention, hein, bientôt vous allez être bilingue English, Aussie slang.
What do we write?
To take.
chuck.
Yeah,
To take or chuck?
yeah. To take a sickie, we've got this one. To chuckle. I forgot.
It's the same. We just, instead of the word take, we just use the word chuck.
To chuck a sickie.
Really the only word, the only time you ever say chuck would probably be like to chuck a sickie.
Okay, so I'm learning with you guys. Same stuff.
Take a sickie.
It's time to go back to school.
Or
To chuck a sickie. To take a sickie. So it's like to take a day off work. C'est ne pas travailler pendant une journée. Is it because you are sick or for whatever reason?
I don't know, because really the meaning of chuck in English is I wanted to chuck away my food in the bin. Like it means to throw away actually.
Yeah, so
something.
it's
So it doesn't make sense.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
It's really only used in this way. To
Okay.
chuck a sickie.
To chuck a sickie.
The only other time you would use the word chuck on its own is if you're using it as if to say you're throwing away something. So, did you eat your lunch yesterday? Oh no, I chucked it away.
Okay, got it. Okay. To chuck a sickie, donc c'est pas aller au travail pendant une journée, mais c'est vraiment de l'argot. Ça, c'est la première chose. La deuxième chose, je sais que c'est un petit peu dur à suivre, but hang in there. Accrochez-vous, les gars, vraiment. Quand je dis les gars, c'est plutôt à la forme anglaise, guys. Donc, c'est à la fois évidemment la jante féminine que je salue et la jante masculine que je salue de la même façon. Accrochez-vous, vraiment, c'est hyper important. C'est un petit peu plus dur, j'ai haussé le niveau, mais je voulais vraiment aussi vous donner la possibilité d'avoir de l'anglais authentique. Et là, c'est exactement ce que vous avez. C'est vraiment comme si vous étiez avec nous. On l'a pensé de la même façon. To chuck a sickie.
Exactly.
I'm a real Aussie now. Perfect. Okay. Well, this one is a 4-letter word. It's easy, but you cannot guess it if you don't know it, guys. Oh my God. You have so many strange words. You should, I mean, in my opinion, you should talk English. You should start talking English like you used to do before. Maybe. I don't know.
You can make like a whole new language. just from
Yeah,
these
kind
words.
of. Yeah. This one is?
It's arvo.
Come again?
Arvo.
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 Okay. It's like afternoon, basically.
It just means afternoon. We've just simply shortened the word because we're really lazy.
Okay. That's good because it's quicker. Could you please repeat this word?
Yep. So the word is arvo.
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 It's like afternoon, basically.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
To chuck a block. Chuck a block.
Chock a block.
This one is really funny. Chock a block is full. Ça veut dire plein. So, could you please give me an example, like a sentence?
Yeah.
Chock a block.
Yeah. So you could say, "Oh, we went to the mall today, but it was chock a block."
Oh.
Like you can even say it
Full
in that
of
expression.
people.
Yeah.
Chock a block.
Full of people. It's chock a block today.
Okay. It's full of people. It's chock a block. C'est
Yeah.
un peu comme si en français on disait, même si ça a une connotation, tout de même c'était vraiment mais à donf au sens de plein. Il y en avait vraiment beaucoup. It was chock a block.
Chock a block. Probably with a K.
Oh, wait, sorry, my
I
bad.
think. Actually, I don't even really know. I just know the expression.
Okay. Because I've looked it up and maybe it's my mistake.
Oh, was it C? B-L-O-C?
Yeah, I don't know actually.
Maybe it is.
Okay, I have to check it. It's a K or a C?
What?
It's a C?
No, like that.
It's a K, okay, it's a K, sorry for that. Choc-a-block. So you don't say like, it's not like in French, choc-a-block. No, it's ta-ta-ta, choc-a-block.
3 different words.
Yeah, ta-ta-ta,
Chock a block.
choc-a-block,
Chock a block.
choc-a-block. Okay, perfect. Well, we've got some more for you guys. Maybe it's a bit black. Oh my God. Okay, I'm so sorry for that also. A copper is a policeman, right?
Exactly.
Could you please, okay, I'm so sorry. Could you please repeat that word for us?
Yep. So it's a copper.
A copper.
So it's not like copper, as in Americanized would be more like copper.
Copper.
Because that's just how they talk, and it's really
Yeah.
weird. Sorry if there's any Americans watching this.
I think they'll be all right. So.
But it's a copper, or
Copper.
one policeman individual is just a cop. Like, oh, here comes the cop.
But is it like super negative word, or it's okay to say that?
No, it's fine.
It's fine?
Yeah.
So a cop, en gros c'est un flic.
There's another
Ça, c'est un
super
flic.
negative word that I can teach you, but I don't know.
I'm not sure. We
Okay.
should mention that because I don't want you to use it, guys.
Yes.
Well, last one would be ebreki. Sorry, wrong accent. Ebreki. Ebreki is basically, well, I have no idea. You tell me.
Brekkie, much like arvo, being shortened for afternoon, brekkie is short for breakfast.
Oh, to be short for. Donc, c'est la forme
Yeah.
simplifiée, abrégée, la forme courte pour. To be short for.
So you'll notice with a lot of the slang words, slang is simply just a shortened version of the word.
Yep. Et j'ai oublié de le préciser au début. Slang is in French argot.
Argot.
Okay. Argot.
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 I can't speak French.
Come again. Argot.
Argot.
Very well. Okay. Say it once again, please.
Argot.
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 Slang.
Slang.
Perfect.
There we go.
Bad joke. I'm sorry. Okay. Thank you very much, Amy. Very
My
nice
pleasure.
of you. So this was your first course of like real Australian, like Aussie slang English. So I hope you've enjoyed it. You wanted some real local English. You've got it, guys. Thank you so much once again.
My pleasure.
I'm not sure we're
Oh,
going to
yeah.
do that.
I don't want
'cause
that
I've
on
got
my
the black
t-shirt.
hands now. Yeah, this is some hard work we are doing right now, guys. For you. And for you also, we have a free training on Sunday at 8 p.m. 8 p.m. Paris time, and it's at 3 p.m. on Tuesday, also Paris time. We are going to talk about how to pronounce English, how to practice English every day, and how to understand English more easily. If you want to subscribe, it's real easy. You have a link below the video, or you can click on the sur le i just there. Thank you very much Thank you very much once again to you.
Thank you.
And to you guys, any comments, any questions, you can write it down below the video. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
This was Amy and Adrian from Sydney, Australia. Bye.
Over and out.